Let's go. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 8.
Hi guys, so it's right at 5 o'clock and it is Vlogmas Day 8. And this is my first time even picking up the camera. So I'm not sure what's going to happen by the time I get home, if I have any content for you guys. But I do know that I need to cook some salmon and probably just keep the leftover rice that I had from yesterday's vlog, and maybe some green beans or something for the vegetable side, because I need to cook it. But and I know my sister wants to go to Bath and Body Works to do some Christmas shopping. So if I go with her, I'll take you along for the ride. I know you can barely see me, but I had to go pick up Jordan from school since I was closer to his school than my husband was. So the band is out in the parking lot practicing right now. So I'm going to get myself in a little bit of knitting time. And yes, I brought my knitting. Okay, I made it home with Jordan in one piece. So Alexis is on the phone gabbing with her cousin like they're a bunch of old schoolmates. Say hi.
Hi.
Anyway, so we are going to, I'm going to go ahead and cook the salmon tonight because I need to. And yeah, hopefully this will be a quick cook so that I can sit and relax and knit. Rolls are out of the oven, and now I'm just waiting for the salmon.
Welcome to Vlogmas Day 9.
Y'all check this out. It is apple butter making time, and I bought this apple peeler slash slicer, and it makes peeling the apples a piece of cake. Don't you love it? If you don't have one and you are a big apple eater, or you process a bunch of apples at one time, this here is life. Check it out. Boop boop ba-doop. Hey, so it is the end of the night of Vlogmas Day 9, and I have made jalapeno jelly, some more of that, and then I also, as you saw earlier, started on the apple butter. Apple butter takes a long time, so it's going to cook overnight. So I'll work on that tomorrow morning when I wake up. So I'm about to finally sit down and get to some knitting. I'm going to watch Woolen Forest Knits. I need to catch up on her vlogs. I love her aesthetics. I love everything about her YouTube channel. So I'm going to check that out and work on the socks that I'm doing for a friend. I want to get those done. And I also need to work on my quilt. It's not my quilt, it's a quilt that I'm doing for my twin sister. I've had it for a long time, and I want to try to get it done before Christmas. So I'll probably show that on the vlog here in the next couple of days. The top has been done for a long time. I just need to just sandwich the quilt together and do some stitching on the top, and I should be done. So I need to go ahead and get that done just so she can have it for Christmas. So yeah, that's what's going on in my world. And then after I've knit for a little bit and catch up on some of my Vlogmases, Mama is going to bed. So we'll see you tomorrow.